Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Desi inverter. First, gather your essential components. You'll need a 12-volt battery, which serves as your direct current power source. Next, acquire an oscillator circuit to generate the necessary alternating current waveform. Don't forget a robust transformer, crucial for stepping up the voltage, and a reliable switching circuit, often using MOSFET, to handle the power conversion efficiently. These foundational parts are key to your inverter's operation. Moving on to the circuit design, it's vital to understand the flow. Your oscillator will generate a 50 Hz square wave, which then feeds into a driver stage. This stage amplifies the signal to control the power output stage, usually comprising several MOSFET. For safety, always integrate a 20-ampere fuse to protect against overcurrents. When choosing your transformer, ensure it's rated for at least 500 watts to handle common household appliances effectively, providing stable power. Now for assembly and, most importantly, safety. Securely mount all your components onto a non-conductive baseboard to prevent short circuits. Make sure every connection is soldered firmly. Loose contacts can cause arcing and damage. For high current paths, use thick gauge wires, at least 10 AWG, to minimize heat buildup. Finally, enclose your completed inverter in a sturdy, well-ventilated, and insulated casing to protect both the circuit and yourself from electrical hazards. Once assembled, thorough testing is crucial. First, use a multimeter to verify the output voltage is around 230 volts AC before connecting any appliances. Also, confirm the output frequency is stable, ideally close to 50 Hz. For ongoing maintenance, regularly inspect your battery terminals for any corrosion and clean them as needed to ensure good contact. Periodically check all wiring for signs of wear or damage, replacing any compromised sections to maintain optimal performance and safety.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.